Hello everyone, welcome to Inside Mathematics. My name is Fanuel and I'm thrilled to have you here. If you have ever struggled with math or just want to sharpen your skills, you are in the perfect place. We are having a lot of mathematics problems that need to be solved. We have different topics: algebra, we have calculus, we have geometry. We have a lot of mathematics questions. We have different equations that need the problem solving. In this channel, we'll be focusing on solving questions. I'll be uploading videos with the different questions, past papers. All the questions are going to be discussed on all levels, and also you are free to request any topic of mathematics that you need solving, even questions about mathematics in programming, because I have a background in computer science and a passion of making complex topics simple and fun. Math is everywhere, and I'm here to help you understand it in a way that actually makes sense. I'll do my best to summarize different questions, give you a background overview of each and every concept that is required to solve a particular problem. As I will be uploading videos with different questions, different problems need solving, so I will give a brief background concept for that particular question. Then we end solving. After that, I'll give you also a question or an exercise that you can do on your free time. I created this channel because I know many people find mathematics intimidating, but trust me, it doesn't have to be that way. I'll be breaking down concept solving problems step by step and showing you practical application of math in everyday life. So here's what you'll be expecting on this channel. I'll be having step-by-step math tutorials of full algebra, geometry, calculus, and many more concepts like regression. Different concepts in mathematics will be covered in this channel. And I'll be providing exam preparation tips. I'll be giving real-life application of math. This is what I'll be uploading on my channel. And my goal is to make math enjoyable and accessible for everyone. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just someone looking to improve your math skill, this channel is for you. So, if you are ready to master math with easy, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.